Hello, soulmate. My name is Olubusayo and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's class, we'll be learning how professional way to install our zipper and how to finish up our band and to do a kind of neat finishing for that band also. If that's what you want to learn, let's get into class. So for this class, we'll be needing our zipper foot, our zipper, then we'll be needing our band. We'll be needing our band. The band, I've already cut out my band, and this band also include, I make sure that my sizing allowance also inclusive. So the band is going to be having the front side we're going to be having two band, and for the back we are going to be having four. So this is me folding my skirt into two to get the midpoint of the skirt. You can see the skirt are not straight. So also for the back, I'm going to take one pair first, and I'm going to be notching the midpoint of my band. So at the end of the day, you can see me I've notched it already. Then placing the right side of the band to the right side of my skirt, then I'm going to pin it down and I'm going to sew it down like so. So just follow the way I'm doing, you will definitely get it. So please, soulmate, subscribe to this channel, like, share it to other soulmates that we like to learn also. So I just tried to show you the way it's being done. Can easily adjust your band alongside with your skirt. You don't need to start running a scatter whether the band will not going to fit well. So the band go through the side seam allowance. So that is one of the advantage. So the next thing is for us to bring the, like I said earlier, we have two band for the front. Now I'm going to be notching the center of the other band for the front. I'm going to knot the center, then place it right side facing right side. Then whatever inches you use for your allowance for sewing, use it. In my own case, I make use of half-inch sewing allowance. I'm going to sew it down from the middle to the other side, then continue from the middle also to the other side. On it, you're going to leave, put that aside and pick the back skirt. So that one aside, I'm going to pick the back side and repeat the same process for the back. That is, the band also go through the zipper allowance down to the side seam allowance. Just follow what I'm doing. If you have any excess other band, I'm going to be trimming it off. We also notch and iron. I will do the same thing to the other side of the skirt. Again back. You can see that is that is back skirt. I've attached my band to it. Then I'm going to be ironing it. Then the next thing is for us to add our zipper to it and sew it down. So in this, you need your zipper allowance, your zipper foot rather. Sorry, you need your zipper foot. Then you're going to sew it down like so. So I will do the same thing to the other side. I fix my zipper to the other side. So I've done that. You can see the way it looks. Now this is when we are now going to introduce the other two band, and I'm going to be fixing it like so. Just watch the way I will be doing that. I'll be using half inch sewing allowance, so I'll be using half-inch allowance on that too. And you can also top stitch, and see the way I'm doing. I'm taking it and sew it at that corner. This is one of the reasons why we need our footer, our zipper foot. Sorry, our zipper foot, so that we can sew it close to the zip. And that is it. I will do the other side also. The excess zip that we don't want to just cut it off like so. So we are done. You can see. Like, share if this video happens so helpful. Now the next thing is for us to join our side seam allowance together, and we are going to be open up our band like so.